Hello, it's Enda here from WPFixNow.com, where we offer valuable tips and techniques for you to get the most from your WordPress website without having to employ expensive developers. Now, people have asked me, Enda, how do you create a contact form like you have on your site on WP Fix Now? Now, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to actually show you how to create a contact form, pretty similar to that, but it won't have all the styling. That's in another video down the line, and it's available on this playlist as well. Now, to add a contact form to your website, I always use the best plugin that there is out there for contact forms. It's been around for a good few years. It's a lot of downloads. I'll get it here for you now. If I go into the plugins and add a new plugin, it's called Contact Form 7. So, Form 7. Add new, sorry, in here, called Contact Form 7. And there it is. Now you can see there's 5 million active installations, and it was last updated 2 months ago. It's compatible with my version of WordPress. Let's do that. I always put this in all my websites that I create, and here we go. It's a pretty simple contact form. If you go into the settings of it, it actually gives you a default contact form that you can use, and if you can edit it here as well. And it's not a drag and drop like a lot of the forms out there, like a lot of the form plugins that you can actually use, but some of them are no longer supported. Like there was one I used to use called Happy Forms, and it was a drag and drop and everything else. But what they done was, as it got more popular, they removed certain functionality from it, which wasn't good at all. And then they started charging for it to get the same functionality again. So I reverted back to using Contact Form 7, which I had years of experience, and this is what it looks like now at the moment. Now you can create any of these fields here, from text, email, the URL, telephone number, date, a text area for editing, whatever you want, and you just add them into the actual page like this, and then send, save. And what it will do for you is it'll create the contact forms. You can customize contact forms. Let's see now, if I go into edit the contact form again, if you go on the mail here, you can change whatever mail address you want to send it to. I'm not going to show you what my email address is. That's about all you have to worry about. The additional settings, you can customize code snippets here. Don't worry about that. Messages, you have a default messages. You can edit messages, use in various situations here. Underneath that messages tab, and underneath the form, when you go back up here, it gives you a shortcode that you can use. Now I'm just going to copy that shortcode into my clipboard, save it off. That's the contact form done. And what we need to do then is obviously create a new page. So if we create a new page to house the contact form on your site, and we're going to call it, give it a title. Let's call it Contact Us. Just a lot of people do that. And we publish that, publish it. Now, if you wanted to go in here and edit it. Now, don't forget we have the code snippet out to actually display the contact form. Now, if we edit that there, we'll have a look, and you'll see we can actually. This is an Elementor now. We'll just put in a advanced. If you want to put in a shortcode in Elementor, you need this widget here. And we put in our contact form shortcode there, and you can see what the contact form looks like. It's got the name of the person who wants you to get in contact with, their email address, and the subject and the message. So if we update that there, that's your contact form created and your page created as well. So if we just exit out of here And on the menu, on the menu, if you go into appearances, menus, and you want to add that new page in here. That's the one I had. This is just a test website. So we added in the contact us page, and we'll now load up the site and have a look and see what it looks like. So we have the home, about, and then you have the contact us page here. So if we go on to the contact us, there's the contact form that your customers will see, and they fill in their details there. Now the required fields is a default that we actually said that you need to enter that text field and enter that text field there. When they actually send you the message, it'll go straight through to your email address that you customized on the Contact Form 7 plugin. If you like this video, feel free to contact us. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate that. That would be great. And follow us on Facebook. Thank you very much now. Have a good day.